everyone, I have got a serious treat for your eyeballs today. I'm going to be taking you around this mid-century modern home, which is filled with interior design deliciousness. It is serious house porn goals. Let's go take a look. I told you this was a treat for your eyeballs. How gorgeous is this home? It has got such an incredible retro 70s feel to it. So cozy, and I'm picking up on a lot of beige, a lot of warm tones, there's a lot of cream, but there's also a really nice pop of cool tones as well with the wall color there, that bluey grey. Everything is just so gorgeous. I feel like I'm in a shop. I feel like I should be giving someone my credit card so I can just take away all the things. This is beautiful, the exposed brick. Now this is original, this fireplace. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's got that mesh kind of curtain. Even the wood's good looking. Very cool. What have we got here? Hello, Tanky. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't want to wake you. This is probably the world's biggest dog. At least the biggest dog I've ever seen. I love this shelf as well. How cool is that clock as well? Very retro, keeping on the 70s theme. How awesome is this kitchen and dining? I can't stop smiling. This house is incredible. I'm going to come back in here, but first I'm going to check outside. Love that extension of the outdoor area. Awesome circular window detail there. This is a really good size. Beautiful tree as well. Gorgeous garden area. You. Let's go check out what's down the hallway. Laundry through here. And we've got kids' room, and not just any kids' room, but the coolest kids' room I've ever seen. How awesome is this? They've even got their own walk-in robe. These girls are very, very lucky. I wish I was this cool when I was that little. Oh, this is really sweet. They've got all their beautiful family portraits up on the wall. I love that. Ah, okay. We've got the girls' bathroom. Really sweet. It's a smaller space, but it's really, really beautifully done. I love this. I love this retro sink. So cool. And oh, fabric curtains. That is awesome. There is a lot of texture in this home. Baby's room. That is a cute space, and baby's close to mum and dad. Let's have a look at their room. I think it's without a doubt the best bedroom I have ever seen. It is so delicious in here, so scrumptious. I love this shelf, that marble detail with all of the things. Beautiful styling. It's so dark and moody. It's just so cozy and indulgent. Even the cabinetry is amazing, and oh my god, would you look at this ensuite? This is next level. I love this so much. I love the tiles. They're like perfectly imperfect. They've got a really nice mottled bluey kind of, there's a bit of brown tones there as well. Of course she's got cool jewelry. Of course she does. Would you look at these earrings? Oh my god, I would so wear them. Make my ears fall off, but I'd still wear them. Can I just be this person already? Ooh, disco time. All right, let's go check out this outside area. This is really special. Look at the size of that tree, and I love what they've done with the decking here. They've cut around it. That's really smart. I love that this is a small home, but they've created this really nice retreat, you know. It's a really special kind of wing for the parents. Let's go have a close look at that kitchen. I love this area with that oven. That is just insane. And that really soft blue. What is that? Like a tile exposed brick? That is just insane. That sort of subway tile. And then, oh my gosh, look at this incredible terrazzo bench. This is phenomenal. This is where there's a lot of blue tones in here which look really good. Oh, coffee. Don't mind if I do. Which one am I gonna choose? Would you look at this shelf? Oh my gosh, there are so many amazing vessels here. This is actually insane. Choose this one. All right, I'm gonna meet you on the couch. When I was trying to think of a way to describe this home, to be honest with you, I was struggling with words because all I could come up with was like, it was just so incredibly good looking. When I first came into this home, there were just so many things to look at. There is so much texture and layering and just beauty. There is beauty in every single corner that you look. And I think, you know, it's those vignettes. There are so many special vignettes. Every single space has been treated with so much consideration. And it's literally just like you're walking through an incredible magazine. It's like a photo shoot. It's just beautiful in here. This is a mid-century home. So this was built in the late 60s, early 70s. I don't think they've pinpointed the exact year, but this is a really beautiful mid-century home. And the owners have really, that's what they really loved about this home. That's why they moved to this area, because of this specific home and its architecture. They've wanted to make sure that they've stayed true to that, but they have done some renovation work as well. There used to actually be a sort of big balcony deck thing that didn't really get used. So they've expanded that. So they've got a larger living area, and they've also expanded out the back as well with that incredible parents retreat, the bedroom, the ensuite, and their little outdoor area. That is something truly special, and it still, you know, keeps the nature of the home. It doesn't take away from any of that mid-century vibe and brings it into the modern age. The styling in here is incredibly warm and cozy. It has got a very 70s vibe because there are a lot of warm tones. We've got apricots, we've got browns, we've got peaches, vanillas, we've got creams, we've got all sorts of amber, and that dark kind of brown brick as well is a really nice focal point of the home. But with all those warm tones, they've complemented that and they've pulled in some cooler tones with the grey and with the light blue. It works beautifully. In terms of the pieces, I can't even begin. I mean, the homeowner is an interior designer, interior stylist, so she is all about beautiful things, and you can just tell. I mean, there are ceramics, there's incredible books, trinkets, things that she's picked up across the world. There's retro with modern, there's a little bit of kitsch, and then there's just incredible high-end pieces. It all just works incredibly well. Obviously got a really great eye for detail, and it's all about kind of curation. There just is a lot of beautiful things that have been pulled together, layered together, and it just feels incredible. It feels really indulgent. This is a small home, but they've made it feel incredibly large, and that's because of the gardens and the way that they've been integrated. And there are different garden areas to hang out in. There's that main area off the dining room, which is more of your communal living area. You've got that gorgeous side garden that is that view from all of the bedrooms and the kitchen, and then that beautiful, very private, special retreat, that lovely garden deck at the back of the parents' retreat. That is really special. You feel like you're on holiday or something out there. It really is quite special. The house itself is also raised, so they're incredibly high and they're looking out over onto the tree line. So that in itself kind of elevates the space, enhances the feeling of scale. So it really makes you feel like you're kind of in a tree house a little bit. My favorite room, without a doubt, is this one, the living area. It's just the heart of this home. I mean, I love the original brick detailing in that fireplace, and I can imagine that this is just the area where you want to hang out. It is so incredibly cozy. There are things to sit and lounge on everywhere. Like, there's a beautiful lush rug, there's incredible ottomans and cushions. It's just so cozy. It's very tactile. You just kind of want to lounge around and just have fondue or something and light the fire. I mean, it's just really cool. Tanky! Tank, come here. Oh, you good boy. Hello. Oh, you are so gorgeous. This home feels like I've arrived home, but at the same time, like I've arrived into a resort. It kind of feels like home, but it also feels like I'm on holiday. It's got a very kind of chilled out, relaxed, ski chalet vibe. I'm also picking up some beach house vibes as well. Either way, it's chilled, it's relaxed, it's super cool. I'd be very happy to call this home. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this home tour and if you're enjoying all of our Letters in Home tours, do me a solid and hit the subscribe button. Plus, like it and comment because I want to know what you think. We'll see you next time. You must leave so much hair in here. Look at it. You're so cute. It's like, why are you filming me?
Don't stick your tongue out at me.
Oh, it's a hard life, Tanky. It is a hard life.